Hello everyone, welcome back to Bhojpuri Vertical. So today we are talking about the most popular and gorgeous Bhojpuri actress Paki Hegde. So today I added a song and the song name is Sarso Mein Terkailu. My video quality is so smoother and sharpener and it's available in 4K 60 FPS in vertical edit. So I covering all the angle of Paki Hegde in this video. So Sarso Mein Terkailu is a popular Bhojpuri song that has gained significant attention for its lovely beat and engaging lyric. The songs encapsulate the essence of rural life, celebrating love, nature and the joy of festivity. One of the standout feature of Sarso Mein Terkailu is its infectious rhythm. The songs characterized by a fast-paced tempo and encourage listener to dance and join in the fun. The use of traditional Bhojpuri instruments such as dholak and harmonium adds authenticity to the sound, creating a festivity atmosphere that is with local celebrations. This rhythmic energy make it a favorite at weddings, festivals and other joyous occasions where popular gathering to celebrate life. Lyrically, the songs is rich in imaginary and emotions. The lyrics paint a vivid picture of mustard field which are abundant in the region, symbolizing prosperity and beauty. The playful nature of the lyrics reflect the carefree spirit of rural life, where love and laughter reign supreme. The song's narrative often revolves around romantic theme, capturing the innocence and joy of young love. This readability makes it resonate with a wide audience as many can connect with the feeling expressed in the song. The vocal performance is for Sarso Mein Terkailu deserves special mention. The singer's energetic delivery and emotive expressions bring the lyrics of life, making the listeners feel the joy and excitement that song embodies. The interplay between the lead vocals and the background singer create a harmonium blend, enhancing the overall experience. The singer's ability to convey a sense of celebrations is a crucial element that draws listeners in and keep them engaged. Moreover, the cultural significance of the song cannot be overlooked. Bhojpuri music often reflects the traditions, value and lifestyle of the people in the region. Sarso Mein Terkailu serves as a reminder of the rich cultural heritage of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, where Bhojpuri is spoken. The songs not only entertain but also preserves and promotes the local culture, making it an important place of artistic expressions. In conclusion, Sarso Mein Terkailu is a vibrant and delightful song that has captured the heart of Bhojpuri culture. Its catchy melody, lovely rhythm and readable lyrics make it a beloved choice for celebrations and gathering. The song's ability to evoke the joy and a sense of community is what truly sets it apart. Whether you are dancing along a wedding or simply enjoying it at home, Sarso Mein Terkailu is sure to uplift your spirit and bring the smile on your face. Lyrically, the song is rich imaginary and emotions. The song's lyric paint vivid picture of mustard field. The lyrics of vivid which are abundant in the region, symbolizing prosperity and beauty. The playful nature of the lyrics reflect the carefree spirit of rural life. So if you are enjoying this video, so please like the video and subscribe my channel.